We're in a very green environment these days. Every industry is having those conversations. The question is, who can actually bring integrity to that conversation? Who's actually doing that? Who's actually going to do that? Who's actually able to do that? And then who's doing the research? One unique thing about our industry is we're the largest recycler in the country. More than paper, more than plastic, more than aluminum, more than all three of those combined, actually, by 50%. Now we have new legislation that's providing infrastructure money, but we also have new guidance around Buy Clean and Buy America. So those are really important things that we need to be able to speak to. As an industry, we have great stories to tell around recycle, and we have great opportunity to improve that. For EZ Street as a company, there's a lot of biodiesel being made as this great alternative and cleaner way to make the product.
Our product is made with biofuel, so it's a green product.
We built our product around using biodiesel because it's cleaner and safer.
No runoff or film from it, nothing polluting anything.
Not having to run hot asphalt plants 24/7, and it's just as good.
We filled potholes in 3 different locations, everything from surface break to edge of pavement repair. They all held in place. I was very surprised.
Even as we've learned that the retail market isn't bringing extra value to the biodiesel process, we're committed to it from the safety standpoint. As far as the end user, would they pay a little more for biodiesel than not? And the answer to that is no, not really.
We really have to keep an eye on it because it's moving fairly quick. So we just got to make sure we're steady producing to keep up with sales.
Just keep coming. They say this stuff works great. Always hearing that nowadays. It's kind of become a norm.
It's VDOT approved. Everything we're selling meets those qualifications.
I think it's going to save some repeat work. We're not going to go to the same holes as often.
EZ Street definitely makes the community better.
So that's where we have remained committed to biodiesel. We just have to continue the process of spreading the word about those benefits.
Making sure that we are making the world a better place and making the world a safer place.
95% of the roads in this country are made of asphalt. So we're helping everybody, even if they don't realize it.
It's not cold mixing, it's ambient.